So hello everyone, it is Toby from Toby's Urbansketch, and you might be able to tell I'm outside today. You can tell from all the lovely sunlight on my hands there. And I wanted to just show you what I'm fairly sure is the best thing since sliced bread. And it's this little case. You can see it's from IKEA. And I'll put a link to it in the description. What it is, it's actually a children's drawing case. You can see it's about A4 size. That'll become more obvious when I open it. And it's got this sort of rigid forward, fake wood, sort of wood effect plastic essentially. It's a great drawing board with a little clip here. And then it's got this carry handle and a zip compartment. And if we unzip it, you can see it holds an amazing array of painting supplies. So what I keep in here is all my travelling paint stuff. So basically this fits in any normal rucksack, about the same size as a laptop bag. I've got my little collapsible, so this is a Faber-Castell collapsible water butt, which I've had for years. A little bit of masking tape, so that helps. You can masking tape even a sheet of paper or a sketchbook down onto the sheet. Got my watercolours. Often, because I paint so wet, often pop my watercolour tin in a bag like this. And yeah, you can see just my normal set of watercolours there. And then of course it fits 9x12 inch block of watercolour. And you can see it fits very comfortably in here. So you could easily fit A4, this is slightly bigger than A4. I'll take that out and I can show you how I can use it to actually sketch afterwards as well. And then in here, so put just an array of brushes in here. Got a big mop, a flat brush, a fan brush, and another sort of selection of round and smaller mop brushes. And then you've even got another zip compartment. Got a few little clips and things. They're great for just, well, you never know what you're going to need, do you? And clips are always useful. And I can just keep a few pens, fountain pens, pencils, watercolour pencils, whatever really in there. So it's an amazing sort of storage and travel box. Then how do I use it? Well, just pop it like this, and this easily goes on my lap. And when you can actually see, there's on my Instagram, someone took a photo of me while I was in Athens sketching using this very box. So easily to just pop on your lap, and you can take a pad or a piece of paper. If I rip a piece of paper off there, we can easily tuck that in and that will hold flat. Or I said I like to masking tape things, so if I just disconnect that, and if I keep it on the pad, what I like to do is just tape it down on all sides. This is exactly why I keep the masking tape in this box. And you can just easily apply that tape and there we go. So we can have that set up. We can have our water with a little, just any old water bottle. Pop this open, the thing stays on. You can have all your paints and brushes, and you can just easily come in and grab what you need. Maybe, typically I'll paint with a couple of brushes. I'll put them at the side. And there we go, ready to paint anywhere you can go. So this is, a really great, I think, really great little travel art box, and it's compared to some of the things you can get. So I've got a really lovely one by Etcher, and it's well over £100. This is more like £10 to £15 for something really quite incredibly portable and useful, light, small, and just forces you to pack a small but not restrictive set of watercolours. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed that. I painted loads of stuff on this on holiday. Just been a really great resource to have, so I hope it inspires you to find something similar or even find this exact thing.